Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Ivy and I'm a makeup artist based in Asaba, Delta State, Nigeria. In today's video, we filmed this beginner friendly eye makeup look using only one eyeshadow palette and about 2 or 3 eyeshadows. I mean, easy breezy. This is the fastest eye look you can ever do, okay? So if you want to know how to do this eye look or you want to learn a thing or two, please keep on watching and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel down below, okay? Please guys, help a sister out, okay? Just subscribe. It doesn't take anything out from you, okay? Subscribe. I'm watching you. Subscribe. Thank you guys, and let's get over into the video. So guys, we just finished with our eyebrows. Okay, now we're going over into eyeshadow application. All right, now in today's video we're going to be using our Zaron nude eyeshadow palette in Earth, and we're going to be doing what I term a monotone look. Okay, we're just going to be using just two shades from our palette, okay, to get that monotone look. And please, if you hear any sounds coming in, the rain is falling heavily over here and it has been falling heavily for some time now. I just had to film this video, okay? Now in today's video we're going to be sticking to the shades Sahara and Mocha. All right, now we already have our eyebrows done. I hope you've been practicing like you're a pro now at applying your eyebrows. The first thing we are going to do today will be to set the concealer we used to clean up underneath our brows. Okay, now I'm taking that blank brush and just a face powder that's a couple of shades lighter than my skin, and then I'm just going to set that concealer in place. I really do not like that wet concealer look. Make sure you set it in place, guys. This is the secret, is the key. Now after setting that, okay, we are now going in with a concealer. I'm using the Nuban Beauty in My Skin Liquid Concealer in number 46. We're going to use this concealer to serve as a primer of some sorts, okay? So I'm just going to put 2 dots on our eyes. And taking my concealer brush, I'm just going to blend or tap in the concealer, okay? Just tap it in gently. All right, take your time. You can use a bigger concealer brush if you do have. It does cut the time in half, but I like this because it's more precise. Okay, now tap 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 tap. As you can see, that's all blended in. Now we're going to go over to the other side. As you can see, it's all blended in. So taking our blending brush that we talked about in our previous videos, we're going to go in with this mocha shade and we're going to apply okay, let's go in with the mocha shade. I'm going to apply that all over our lids, okay? I mean the place where we just applied the concealer as an eyeshadow primer. So this powder with this eyeshadow, we see something to stick onto. It's not packing on the product well enough. I should have gone in with my eyeshadow brush from the get-go. I'm sorry about that, guys. So the eyeshadow brush now, we're just going to pat this color all over the lid. Then taking the other side of our blending brush and this shade Sahara, we are just going to be blending out the harsh lines in our crease, okay? Just using that lighter shade, we're just going to be blending out the harsh lines. Use a windshield wiper motion, back and forth motion, and you blend everything all out. Gently, you can see how I'm holding my brush. I'm not holding it too close to the ferrule. I'm holding it, you know, a bit towards the top part of the handle, and I'm just with very little pressure blending it out, okay? Don't forget to blend this area lightly. There you have it, guys, just 2 shades, okay? Now whatever you do on the up part of your eye, you also have to do at the lower part to tie everything together. So we're going to be taking our pencil brush and going into the same mocha shade. I'm going to be using that shade right now to smoke out underneath our lower lash line, okay? Now as a beginner, you can just apply your mascara right now and be done with it, but we want to take this look a step further. It's not just enough to just learn the basics, we need to learn extra things, okay? So what you can do to vamp up this look is to apply a black eyeliner into your waterline, okay? As you can see, that just changed the look. You can also take your liquid liner and form a very small wing. Oh, I made it fatter than I intended. If you still want to vamp up this look or put an extra pop in the look, taking your concealer brush, we are going to go into this frost shade, and we're going to take, just using the tip of the brush, take a little bit of that frost shade and apply in the inner corner of our eye, okay? It just helps to open up the eye, okay? Next, we're going to go in with our mascara, and we're going to apply this mascara on our upper lashes and our lower lashes. Lashes are a very important part of the eye look, okay? Now, even if you're not applying falsies, you can use a good mascara and have your lashes looking like false lashes, okay? And you guys already know the mascara I'm using right now is the Zaron Lengthening Mascara. So this is it, guys, a very simple eye look, and we used just two of the shadows, and you decide to amp it up with this dot shadow. It's, you know, most of these steps are not necessary, but if you want your look to look like really glam, then you know, you can do everything. You can pick, you know, a few steps and then you can leave the others. Like, you didn't have to add the highlight in the inner corner of the eye, you didn't have to add the kohl liner or the black liner in your waterline. Okay, now I hope you guys were able to follow along with me. This look is not so difficult, it's really a bit on the easy side. By our next video, we should go into the more detailed eye look. This one is just easy breezy, you know, sharp sharp sharp, and you are right out the door. Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys were able to carry along or tag along with me, and I hope you keep on practicing. You know, practice makes perfect. I myself am also practicing, I'm also learning. I'm not exactly like perfect yet, so it's an everyday learning process. Okay, so keep on practicing, and I'll see you in my very next video. Bye guys.